Yeah.
Fuck it on, really.
Yeah.
You figure how the car get down there, look.
Yeah.
How you figure they get the cars down there?
Yeah.
Huh? Where's the road? Tell me.
I don't know.
They go over there. And then they go through the tunnel, they come out.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, I don't know. How do you think they get this? The vehicles down there. They get tunnels.
The tunnels.
Yeah. Oh, there's a tunnel there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see, you come through there.
Yeah.
Unreal, eh? This is all new though. Yeah, you can see. You see the cement how white?
Yep.
This is all new. Never had that before.
Yeah.
Oh, you used to see the water pouring out.
Yeah.
You can go fishing, around here. Yeah, get fish.
Yeah.
And then there's see, when we came, you had 1, 2, maybe 3 pyramids. And that over there had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pyramids, and then never joined yet.
Yeah.
You should have seen that.
I know.
Unreal. Oh God, look at that.
Yeah.
You can imagine you jump from here.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
You jump from here and you slide, and then you go 1 time.
I don't think you could be alive, but man, that's some deep drop. You know what I mean?
You see what they had to do? They had to go inside the mountain,
Yeah.
fill up all the cement and come. That's mean, man. 1930, 1931
Yeah.
to 35, 4 years.